Are you looking for Facebook ad campaigns that actually work? If so, this is the video you're going to want to check out. I'm going to show you examples of 5 different campaigns that have performed really well and also share the secret as to why they do well. Take a look. Hello, everyone. This is Kevin Smullin with 2Q Lead Generation Strategies. Thanks for being here. If you're brand new to the channel, what we are all about is we help real estate agents generate more leads for their business using Facebook and digital media. So if you are wanting more tips, more strategies to generate more leads, close more deals, and have more business, this is the channel you want to check out. So please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. Now, in today's video, what we're going to be talking about is we are going to be talking about some brand new Facebook ad ideas to help you get more results and share with you some of the secrets as to why some campaigns perform better than others. There are reasons why campaigns do better than others, and I'm going to share one of those main secrets with you in today's video. So as we get rolling today, one of the things you'll want to go take a look at is if you haven't already downloaded some of the our top performing Facebook ad templates, you can go down into the description. I'll put a link there, and you can go download those right now today. So what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you examples of 5 different Facebook ads, the landing pages that we've used to get great results for some of our clients. So before I do that, one of the things that you have to understand, and it's the secret as to why some ads perform really well and others don't, is you have to understand the nature of niche marketing. So the beauty of niche marketing is anytime you're marketing to a specific group of people, response rates will always be higher. So the main principle that you want to understand, and this is an absolute truth where marketing is concerned, is that if you are marketing to everyone, the truth is you're actually marketing to no one. That is the truth. If you're taking notes, that's the one you want to write down. If you are marketing to everyone, the truth is you're actually marketing to no one. A lot of the reasons why more campaigns and more advertising in general don't get more response is because they are trying to be everything for everybody. So just to put that in perspective, let me talk you through this and help you understand. In the real estate industry, there are different niches and different groups of people, and they all have different needs. So when we talk about first-time home buyers, a lot of times they struggle with having the money for the down payment, or having credit to qualify, or maybe they're just unfamiliar with the process. And again, if we spent time, we could come up with a long list. But for that group of people, that's enough to talk about that group. When we talk about investors, investors frequently struggle with being able to find good deals, or sometimes being able to finance and put together a good deal when they have one. So that's another problem that they currently face. When you talk about empty nesters, a lot of times the struggles that they have are just being able to have a property that they can manage and maintain, or a property that doesn't have stairs, and so it's easier for them to navigate. So again, no matter what group of people we're talking about, every group has problems where real estate is concerned. But the key is they all have a different set of problems. So because they all have different problems, if you try to create a marketing message that resonates with all of them, it's the same watered down message you've heard your entire real estate career, which is we help people buy and sell homes. See, there's nothing about that that's compelling or exciting for any of those groups of people, because that's, in most cases, that's not the problem that they have. So anytime you are marketing to a specific group of people, response rates will always be higher if you're talking about something that is specific to that group of people. And with the 5 different Facebook ad ideas that I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you different ways to appeal to different groups of people based on this concept. But that is the concept, is we're picking a group of people, we're talking about the problems that they face, and because we're providing solutions to those problems, that's what gives people a reason to respond. That is the nature of marketing, is if you can identify a group of people that have a problem and present them with a solution, that's what generates response. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And I'm going to share with you some of these different ad campaigns. So The first one that I'm going to show you is where we are marketing to potential first-time buyers. So like we talked about, one of the challenges with a lot of first-time buyers is they don't have the money for the down payment. And so we've got this sample ad right here. Hey, do you want to buy your first home? I've created a free report, shows 5 ways to buy a home without paying a down payment. You can download the report by clicking on the link below. So when they click on this link below, it's going to take them to a page like this. It's a landing page where we're going to actually capture their contact information. And then here's where we're offering that information on how to buy a home without a down payment. So these kinds of campaigns perform really well simply because you're just providing a solution to a problem that a group of people face. So this is an example of marketing that you could potentially do for first-time home buyers if that's a group of people that you like to market to. Let me show you a different kind of campaign. So this is an empty nester campaign. And like we talked about, one of the challenges that a lot of empty nesters face is having a home that is easy for them to manage and to navigate. So that's what we're marketing for here. So we've got this ad. Are you looking for a more manageable home? I've created a free list of single level properties in the surrounding area. Click to get access to the list. And when they click on that link, it's going to take them to a page where we're capturing the lead. And then this page is going to take them to the list of properties that we promised to give them. But again, it's the key of this more manageable home, finding a home without stairs. You know, these are the kinds of things that get people to respond to that kind of a campaign, right? If you just said, I've got a free list of homes, most people are not going to find that exciting. But if it's a list that's specific to this, that's what gets people to respond. So that's a second kind of campaign for empty nesters. Let me show you a third one. So this would be marketing that you would do for sale by owners or expired listings. The way that we do that is you can upload a list of your expireds, your for sale by owners. You can upload that list to Facebook and run ads directly to those people. And so here's an example. Want to get better results selling your home? Created a free report, shows how to sell your home quickly in this market. And then what happens is they click on that link. It's going to take them to a landing page where we're capturing their information. And I've actually had people that'll take them through like a virtual listing tour or a listing presentation. And you can set up a series of videos. You can do it however you want, but the whole concept is we're providing a solution to these people that are having a problem. They don't, for the for sale by owners, they don't want to do it on their own. They don't want to, they want to sell it quickly. They don't want this to take forever. So these kinds of things work well. A fourth kind of campaign, a fourth idea. This is a campaign for marketing to potential real estate investors. So one of the challenges that real estate investors face all the time is being able to locate potential investment properties. So if you are the person who provides the answer to that problem, they will come to you, and it's an easy way to grow your business. So right here it says, looking for the best investment properties in the area, go here to access our free weekly investor report. Each week, we spend our time finding and evaluating the best opportunities for investors, and we send those out so that you don't have to go find them on your own, right? Ready to get your next deal? Sign up, see it for yourself. So that's what's nice about this is you get to establish yourself as the hub where you're promoting information every single week. And then again, basically, we would just handle that the same way that we always do. Here's a landing page where we're capturing somebody's contact information, et cetera, right? So, but it's the ad itself, the concept is what drives the response, right? We're providing a solution to a problem that people face. And you'll notice that that's true with all of these. The fifth and final one that I'm going to show you is, it's kind of a variation of something that a lot of agents do. So once, a lot of times, this happened more in the past than it does nowadays, but back in the past when an agent would sell a home, they would send out postcards to the neighboring area saying, hey, we just put this home under contract, we've got more buyers in the area, and if you've thought about selling, come here, come talk to us, we may already have your home sold. So that kind of a message for somebody who's been on the fence about selling, again, the concept is we've got more buyers, they might be interested in your home just like they were this one. That is providing a solution to these people and potentially getting them off the fence and getting them to decide to go ahead and list their home. So people used to send out these postcards and they would get responses from it. Same thing, we're just deploying it digitally. right? And so we can send it out to the neighbors in the area. And there's lots of different ways of doing this. But then basically it's the same concept. We're going to drive them to a landing page where we're capturing that information. And then we go ahead and do the market analysis. But again, the whole concept that I want to drive home with you in this video is that the key to success is being able to reach a specific market, provide a solution to a problem that they're facing. And when you do that, response rates increase significantly. That is one of the biggest secrets of marketing. Again, I'll say it. The more you market to everyone, the more you're actually marketing to no one, because no one finds that message compelling. You'll find that response rates are much greater going after a niche, finding a problem that they have, and providing them with a solution to that problem. So hopefully today's video on Facebook ad ideas was valuable for you, and you're able to get some great nuggets and some great tips that will help you market your business, get better response, generate more leads, and find more success. So hopefully you found great value in it. If you did, go down, click that little thumbs up button, give us a like. We appreciate your support. That helps us tremendously. And so if we've helped you, help us, give us that quick little click. We appreciate it. Also, please consider subscribing. If you want more tips, more videos, more strategies just like this, we put out a brand new video every single week showing you new ways and new strategies to market your business. So if you want to be on the cutting edge and the leading edge of real estate, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here. Also, down in the description below, I mentioned that we've got those Facebook ad templates. Please go check those out. Also, I'll put a link to our website where you can learn more about our Facebook Masters class. It's called The Revolutionary Agent, where you can learn how to market your business effectively using Facebook as a tool if you want to check that out. I'm also going to put up a couple videos right here of other videos that you might find of interest, so please check that out as well. With that being said, make it a great week. We appreciate your support, and if we can ever do anything to help you market your business, let us know. Leave a comment, leave a question below. We answer every single one of them. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. Keep crushing it.